Ay, pabida. Ang Yoyoy Villamig hapon eh. O niya akong unang kantang gikanta niya kaniyantong elementary grade 6 pa ko. Pabida. Yay. Magellan. Pabida. On March 16, 1521, when Philippines was discovered by Magellan, they were sailing day and night across the big ocean until they saw small Limasawa Island. Magellan landed in Limasawa at noon. The people met him very welcome on the shore. They did not understand the speaking they have done.